I will say before I open this, I am going to get the Acuity shifter. Just wanted to go ahead and get the shift knob, because I was having trouble finding shift knobs that I actually liked the way they felt. Then I had that 5-speed one that I ran for a little bit, and I really liked the way it was shaped. Oh, bunch of stuff in there. What's this? Oh, that's just the receipt. Oh wow, this is packaged good. Look at all this in here. You got you some, move that box to the side. I got this at a weird angle. Got you some Acuity. I don't know if it's a stickers or what that is. You got a couple bracelets in here, it looks like. Go ahead and open that up, see what all we get. Yeah, you get you 2 Acuity bracelets. It's pretty neat. Leave them right there. Acuity sticker. That sticker's nice too. Nice looking sticker. Turn it up for y'all can see it. And another sticker that'll focus. There it is. Like I said, guys, I do plan on getting the actual shifter, which is this. I just wanted to get my exhaust and stuff done first. So it's hard to build your car on a budget and do everything you want to do. Oh, they packaged that with a lot of. There's like 1 million of these in there. So. Yeah, this was packaged really nicely. So it just comes in this, with this slid over it. It comes with this really nice bag. Of course it comes with the nut. Most of the shift knobs now come with the nut. Oh, let's open this and feel this. It's first thing I'll notice about this is it's really heavy. Oh, and that looks really nice. I really like the way that feels. Like I said, guys, I'm not going to do an installation video on this, but I will do a review. Oh yeah, inside the bag you got the foam. Yeah, comes with all this. So like I said, I think that's it. Yeah, that seems to be it. Yeah, like I said, guys, you get this bag, this, 2 stickers, 2 bracelets. So it's not really, you know, it comes with a lot of stuff just for a shift knob. And like I said, I'll definitely be doing reviews, telling you if I think, you know, it's worth the price tag or not. Because it is expensive for a shift knob at around $75 to $80. But to me, it already feels like it's worth it. The weight's really nice, and I really like this shape. That's about the shape of that 5-speed knob I was running for a little bit. But anyways, guys, this is where I'm gonna end it. I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing. I hadn't really seen a shift knob, a Acuity shift knob unboxing on YouTube, so I hope this helps anybody that was wanting to buy one. Make sure you get yours at www.kseriespros.com. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram at OneJujitsuPanda. Make sure you visit the website in the bottom right corner, www.kseriespros.com.